Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Guys, you've been showing so much support on my Xbox videos, so I'm going to be continuing with Xbox related content in the future going forward since you guys like it so much. Here today I have a quick tutorial on how you guys can get free Xbox Live on Xbox One. This costs absolutely nothing, and this doesn't revolve around going to a sketchy website and completing weird offers. None of that. This is all baked into the Xbox interface itself. Guys, I just want to give a brief shout out to the Life Made Easy podcast. As I've mentioned in previous videos, if you go over there, I will be giving every subscriber a shout out on screen. So just go over there, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Linked in the below. Go give it a listen, guys. Highly recommend it. So now let's get into today's video, guys. So what you want to do basically is first go over to My Games and Apps. And you want to download, if you don't already have it downloaded, Microsoft Rewards. Now, I didn't know I even had this. I didn't even know I was getting reward points over time. But this is the main thing we're going to be utilizing in this video. So basically, what Microsoft Rewards is, if we just go in here real quick, is just a bunch of like offers that they give all Xbox people to complete, and you basically earn points from all these offers. And I didn't even know this was going on. I'm going to be real with you. I'm just learning about this recently. Let me save redeem for later, but they have weekly like rewards that they do, and it kind of like builds on itself. Achievements earn points, so they basically want you to play more Xbox. The more achievements you unlock, the more Xbox you play, the more rewards you're going to get over time. So I had like 682 points, as you can see in the top left-hand corner. And I came over here and I found like the CDC Foundation thing. You can go in here, and if I just click on that, and I went to this one, it's like claim your first 1,000 points by clicking here to complete this offer. So I was like, okay, cool, I'll take 1,000 points. Are you kidding me? Like, and then I just clicked it, and it just gave me 1,000 points. So it's like complete this punch card to earn up to 2,000 points and a chance to make a positive impact. Basically, stay home and don't spread the virus. Complete 1 and 2 to I can't read, to claim your 2,000 point bonus. Click on punch 3 to help combat the global spread of the, I'm not going to say that because I'm going to get demonetized. During this time, Microsoft Rewards will match your donation towards the CDC Foundation. So they want you to stay home. They want you to play Xbox. It's helping everyone. And then you can earn more with achievements. So every achievement is worth 50 points every single day. So earn achievements in any game, then click the offer. So you can just click earn now, which is cool. And then let me show you what you can actually get, or what you can actually redeem to get free Xbox Live. And it's this right here. It's literally like Xbox Live membership, 1 month, 8,500 points. Now granted, I only have 1,682. So I'm kind of far behind. I'm like 7,000 points behind right now. But guys, look how cool this stuff is. I didn't even realize this, like Skype Unlimited, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, a sweepstakes entry. So like Cloud9, I don't even know what that is, but Microsoft Rewards. But yeah, they just have like all these cool things. You can even get gift card. Like I could buy a gift card right now if I wanted to. $1.25 Xbox gift card. I don't know what I'd do with $1.25. Maybe buy a game that's $1 or something on the store. But I think most of you guys are going to look at this one here. I mean, that's the whole point of this video. It doesn't give you... Oh, no, it does give you the option to... You can do 3 months. That's 20,000 points. But I'm guessing... the 3 months is a better offer. Just the ratio of points to actual amount of time. It's a better deal. So I'd recommend that one. But yeah, this stuff is sick, guys. Highly recommend it. That's basically it for this video, guys. This is super helpful, super useful in my opinion, and you guys can get all these free rewards. Literally, the only cost here is time, and the thing is, you're playing Xbox, you're redeeming points. So it's like, to me, it's free, even though you're sacrificing time, but it's like you would be sacrificing that time anyway by playing Xbox, and everyone loves Xbox, let's be real here. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you found it useful. Easy way to do it. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like the video. Let's shoot for 50 likes on this video, and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys know exactly when I upload. As I said, subscribe to Life Made Easy podcast, and I'll see you guys in the next